So I just built a basic foundation for this. As you can see, we just have like this kind of founding idea with the chord progression and just some notes laid over the top. For the pad, I just duplicated the MIDI, and then we've just got two differentiating leads just for sort of two different sections. This is pretty much all that I'll try to work with. I really like the idea of like less being more. Clarity for me often comes from the simplicity of it all, and I tend to find that it's a lot more effective than when you start to create excess and it starts to get really complex. The less that it takes you to convey the message, the clearer that the message is going to be at the end of the day. I just find that it's more effective, it leads to more results, and I have a higher output. Obviously that goes hand in hand with mixing as well. The less elements that you have to mix, the clearer it's going to be. There's going to be more space in the actual mix itself, and if you're selecting the right elements that don't clash, then there's going to be barely any work for you to do anyway. So that's the whole beat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to get your hands on this project file, it'll be up on my Patreon as always, along with all of my other project files from all of my other videos. So thanks for checking that out. I'll see you in the next video.